channel. Today I'm gonna do a DIY of flower vases, and those are the flowers I want to transplant to certain containers. Let me show you the containers. These are not used jerry can. It's a mtungi which I have transformed it to a flower vase. I've typically cut in the middle, and then I did some part of doing aeration here, so that when my flowers are getting water, they can have all the nutrients they want. This is a former peg plate, or I can call it peg, where we used to put pegs and all that. So I've transformed it to a flower vase, and it's blue in color, so it has enough aeration because it has holes. This is a former dustbin. Already had planted a flower. It's a dustbin. It used to be a dustbin. It is enough. Already have transferred a flower there. It is a flower that detaches on the wall, so that's exactly what I want to do. So wait a minute, and I'll show you how I'm gonna transform those other parts to useful things. This used to be a former bucket. I had already planted the flowers. These are just flowers, and I've transformed it to a flower vase sitting other beside the door. I'm so impressed with this flower. What happened is just I came and drew it here at the corner and did some bit of manure. Even right now I've added some manure. Little did I know it will add up and grow to something. So finally it has grown, and I'm going to transplant some to the flower vases. These are manure for cow, from cow dung. So I'm going to use this for my planting. Now I'm about to go to the shamba and get get dirty and get some soil. I'm just going to add some soil. We're supposed to, then I mix it up and combine. I'm going to take soil from this trench, the one was done after making a trench, and combine with this manure proportionally, and then I'll go and transplant my flower. Then I'm going to show you, I'm going to do the same thing with the other flower vase. Then I'll show you the end product of my DIY of planting flowers. So later guys, I want to get dirty. Final product, I've turned a peg vase to a flower vase. A former used mtungi jerry can to a flower vase, and a former used dustbin to a flower vase. And that's the end of the product. I'm gonna look for the position I'm gonna place my flowers, like I showed you earlier. The other one I've already made it for holding the down. Let me go show you. So I've decided to be placing it there beside the kitchen window, so that's where it is going to be staying. Going to be staying here next to the corridor of the sideboard of the house. This is where I want it to stay. This for mtungi, I want it to be, because that flower is the flower that always stick to the wall. I'm gonna stick it beside the back side window somewhere there. At the end of the product, it will cover those windows, you know. It's going to go in between the windows and make a nice pattern. When it grows, I'm gonna come back and show you how it does. So that's the place it's going to be staying. Like I showed you earlier, this is the other one that has always been here. I made it myself. That time I didn't show you, but now I have several flowers I can show off. So that's one of my flowers. The rest is my mama's project. So the DIY specifically was about this one. To transform the used products to something useful instead of throwing them up away. And continue subscribing to my channel, liking and commenting. share to the few friends you have, and let's get to know each other. I'm grateful. Thank you. Enjoy your weekend. It was a dirty job, but I'm very grateful for the fact that I've done what I wanted. See ya.